recording.
Part 3, Sound Recording. There are various methods of reproducing sound. The microphone captures the sound waves by converting them into an audio signal.
Let's return to our single voice channel.
The LP record uses an acoustical recording method by converting sound waves into a physical form that transforms vibrating air into sound. A diamond stylus cuts grooves into the blank master LP, hence the expression groovy. These grooves hold the different frequencies in the recorded sound. When played on a record player, the pickup reads the grooves and transforms them into music. With cassette tapes, an oxide, which is a type of ferromagnetic material, coats the tape.
Get the high-performance tape.
The recording head, an electromagnet, converts a fluctuating signal to an oxide on the tape. And there you have the recorded sound.
The impact of digital technology has been rather dramatic.
The digital recording method uses the binary language of zeros and ones. As the sound is captured, it travels through a process known as pulse code modulation. This modulation reproduces the sound by turning it into a code of digital language. This code is then transformed by a digital signal processor to finally arrive as sound through connected speakers. The speaker actually works the same way as a microphone, but here the diaphragm is used in reverse, converting the electrical signal into sound waves. All microphones have a diaphragm, a thin membrane usually made of paper, aluminum, or plastic that turns the sound waves into electrical energy.
The choice of a microphone depends on the subject's position and action.
If you want to capture a sound through water, for instance at the bottom of a lake, you'd use a hydrophone. Same principle.
The lake.